Good afternoon, everyone, and we are here now in Novotel Abu Dhabi Gate. So, as usual, pagpasok on your right side, ito ang makikita ninyo, ang ating toilet. Ayan. Kompleto naman yan. May shampoo, may conditioner, may body wash, of course, may towel. And here ay ang ating ito. Ayan. May mga extra kang gamit. Sa amin kasi nandun lang. Ayan. So, ayan. Of course, ang ating bed na napakasarap, napakalambot. And we have a TV here. And mayroon tayong table. Kung gusto niyong maupo here, mag-computer. At hindi natin ipapatalo ang ating view. Although madumi ang ating salamin. Ayan, kaya na rin. Ayan, yun. I think that's man-made. Ayan, hindi yan totoo. Lake or kung ano man ang tawag dyan, ilog. Hindi yan totoo. Pero makita natin ang ating swimming pool. Ayan dyan. That's all everyone for our Novotel Abu Dhabi Gate area. Nothing special.